Superbike champion with the #1 plate. And Matt Mladin, the 6-time AMA champion and current points leader. The Corona AMA.
No matter how good or bad the start is for either of them, whoever gets out there first is going to have a huge advantage. Are you going to pick one, Brian?
Oh, no way. Only after the race. 8 laps, winner take all being the 2007 U.S. Superbike Championship title. It is Mladin first, Spies third. They're all right together. No harm, no problem, and we are racing. It's difficult not to focus on them because they're the ones going for the win week in and week out. There's been terrific racing.
Oh yeah, Spies in first.
By so many of these riders that, believe it or not, they are relaxed once they know they can do a certain pace. Once again, down the front straightaway.
All right, he's going to retire Matt tonight.
See that? He's got almost an environment.
All right, Ben Spies kicks the mat.
On the racetrack. Third place, Aaron Yates across the line, making it a Suzuki sweep. Jake Zenke soldiered on, but managed only 4th place, and now the 2 championship contenders. Congratulations. Season for years to come.
No question about it. Decided by a victory and a point. 1 point differentiation. Unbelievable race.
And every rider coming across the line.
Still 1 race to go today.
Rock on Ben, kick some ass.
We just couldn't get the job done today, and Ben just rode too good when it mattered, and he did everything that he had to do to win his 2nd championship. And we've got to thank my guys and Suzuki. They've delivered a great motorcycle. You know, this GSX-R 1000 we've won. What is it? We've missed 1 race in 2 years. We haven't won. So it's been a very good time for us and the whole team. And congratulations to Ben and his crew. They deserve the championship, and we'll go home, get to work, and come back next year and see if we can't pick another one.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen, 6-time champion Matthew Mladin. And now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome please your 2007 and 2-time AMA Superbike champion Ben Spies. Ben, a defining moment for the championship at the top of the corkscrew. Tell me a little bit about that. We had our own opinions about how it went.
Matt was riding so good everywhere else we got in this. I was pretty strong going up the hill into the corkscrew, and lap guy came up, and I was like, well, here's my chance. He might not expect it, and I went for it, and then he came back by, and we went back underneath him, and just kept my head down and tried to be consistent. The team was telling me to slow down, and I was telling them, no, I'm not slowing down today. So, you know, I got to thank my guys. They gave me a great fight today, and we went a little bit of a gamble in the race, and it paid off, and got the #1 plate again.
Well, there's nothing else to say right now, but congratulations and enjoy it.
Yeah.
And now we'll make some presentations here. We have quite a few to make.
On behalf of the AMA and Parts Unlimited, all the fans here, congratulations. Let me be the first to introduce 2007 Superbike champion.
Thank you. Just like I said, I want to thank my team again, all the fans that came out. Alpine Star Leathers, HJC Helmets, Parts Unlimited, Kicker, everybody that helps me out and believes in me. Thanks a lot. Got the 2nd championship. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to hand this over. Your now defended and champion for 2007, Ben Spies. Ben, on behalf of the AMA, Parts Unlimited, we would like to say congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for all 3 of our winners and our 2007 champion, Ben Spies.